Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 shocking secrets that car dealerships definitely don't want you to know. We're talking about the tricks they use, the lies they tell, and the ways they squeeze every last penny out of you. Stick around because these tips could save you thousands when you buy your next car. We're going undercover, going deep, and exposing all the shady stuff. I'm talking hidden fees, trade-in tricks, financing scams, and a whole lot more. I've got stories, I've got examples, and I'm going to break it all down in a way that's easy to understand, even if you've never bought a car before. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to become a car buying expert. Let's do this. First up, we're talking about those sneaky hidden fees, you know? The ones that magically appear on your bill after you've already agreed on a price. Dealerships love to tack on these extra charges for things like documentation fees, processing fees, or even nitrogen in the tires. Seriously, they'll charge you extra for the air you breathe, but don't worry, I'm here to tell you exactly how to fight back. Always, and I mean always, ask for a detailed breakdown of all costs before you sign anything. And don't be afraid to negotiate. These fees are often negotiable, so don't be afraid to push back and get them lowered or even waived entirely. So you're trading in your old car, huh? Dealerships love trade-ins because it gives them another opportunity to lowball you. They'll find every little scratch and dent to justify giving you a lowball offer. Don't fall for it. Before you even step foot in a dealership, do your research. Use online tools like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds to get an idea of your car's actual market value. And don't be afraid to shop your trade-in around to multiple dealerships. Get multiple offers and see who gives you the best price. Financing is where dealerships really try to make their money. They'll try to offer you a higher interest rate than you qualify for, hoping you won't know the difference. But guess what? You're smarter than that. Always check with your bank or credit union before you even set foot in a dealership. Get pre-approved for a loan so you know exactly what interest rate you qualify for. And don't be afraid to use that pre-approval as leverage to negotiate a better rate with the dealership. Chapter 4. Extended warranties, are they worth it? Extended warranties are a huge profit center for dealerships. They'll tell you it's for peace of mind, but the truth is, most extended warranties are overpriced and unnecessary. Think about it, how often does your car break down after the manufacturer's warranty expires? Before you shell out thousands of dollars for an extended warranty, do your research. Read the fine print, understand what's covered and what's not, and compare prices from multiple providers. And remember, most new cars come with a pretty good manufacturer's warranty already. Chapter 5. Dealer add-ons don't get upsold. Ah, the dreaded dealer add-ons. These are the extras that dealerships love to tack on at the last minute. Things like paint protection, fabric guard, window tinting, you name it. And guess what? They're almost always overpriced. Here's the secret. You can get these services done cheaper elsewhere. Shop around, compare prices, and don't be afraid to say no to the dealership. Remember, you're in control, not them. Chapter 6. The test drive trap. Don't feel pressured. The test drive. It's a classic sales tactic designed to get you emotionally attached to the car. And once you're emotionally invested, you're more likely to pay a premium. Don't fall for it. Remember, you're not obligated to buy a car just because you took it for a test drive. Take your time, think it over, and don't let the salesperson pressure you into making a decision you're not comfortable with. Chapter 7. The special price. Is it really special? The special price, the manager's special, the deal of a lifetime. Dealerships love to use these phrases to make you think you're getting a great deal. But here's the thing. The special price is often just the starting point for negotiations. Always, and I mean always, compare prices online before you even step foot in a dealership. Use websites like TrueCar or Cars.com to get an idea of what other people are paying for the same car. That way you'll know if the special price is actually special. Chapter 8. The limited time offer. Don't be fooled. The limited time offer, the flash sale, the act now before it's too late deal. These are all classic sales tactics designed to create a sense of urgency and pressure you into making a decision. Don't fall for it. Take your time, do your research, and don't let a fake deadline rush you into making a decision you're not comfortable with. Remember, there's always another deal, another sale, another opportunity to buy a car. Chapter 9. The certified pre-owned myth, buyer beware. Certified pre-owned, it sounds reassuring, right? Like the car has been through a rigorous inspection process and is in tip-top shape. But the truth is, the certification process can vary widely from dealership to dealership. Don't just take the dealership's word for it. Always get a second opinion from an independent mechanic before you buy a certified pre-owned car. They can give you an unbiased assessment of the car's condition and let you know if there are any hidden problems. Chapter 10. The best deal, lie. What's right for you? The best deal isn't always about the lowest price. Sometimes the best deal is the one that best fits your needs and budget. Don't be swayed by a low price if it means sacrificing features or quality that's important to you. Before you even start shopping for a car, sit down and figure out what's important to you. What kind of car do you need? What features are must-haves? And most importantly, how much can you afford to spend? Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Buying a car can be a daunting process, but it doesn't have to be. Armed with the right knowledge and a healthy dose of skepticism, you can navigate the world of car dealerships like a pro. Remember, dealerships are businesses and their goal is to make money. But by being an informed consumer, you can level the playing field and make sure you're getting a fair deal. So go out there, negotiate like a boss, and drive away in your dream car knowing you got the best possible deal. See you next time.